Good morning and welcome back to a very busy doghouse. Thought I'd start the video off nice and early. Also forgot my tripod, so that should be a bit of fun. But as of recording this, which is I think it's the 11th of May, exactly a year ago today, we actually was on our way to do the NC 500. A year ago today, believe that or not. That's not what today is all about. We have got lots going on. Lots and lots and lots. As you remember in the last video, the VR6 has now got its engine. Look at that. The blue van is getting a lot closer. We are still waiting for the windscreen. But, a couple of things. Number one, we have a Calypso back. You probably remember this was on the channel a little while ago. I did all the brakes all the way around. And she's back in again. And
morning, people.
Mr. John's back.
He's back again. Yes, he's back.
How are you doing, young man?
Thank you this morning. I think I'd rather have a hangover.
Did you have a nice holly bob?
Yeah. I missed my battery.
You're back. This is the first job back as a clean one.
Yeah.
This is in for
Clutch.
because she is a big old motorhome. She can't go on the ramp, so John's got to do it in the pit, which is going to be nice and fun for him. I do like that van. I will try and film as much of it as we can. And, really sorry, I can't remember your name, but the owners of this van brought some goodies. We'll have a look at that in a bit. But that's Mr. John's job. Fresh off of holidays, straight to a clutch. Mr. Namo.
Hey Namo.
What's happening?
You good?
Yeah. Just so happened I can do that.
To do what? So yeah. Had a little chat about what's going on. Dad's going to tackle the other van.
Another one and another one.
And another one and another one. We're, yeah,
All the way through there.
bombarded with lots at the minute. And in the meantime, we've still got to try and sort out the VR6. And, well, the motorhomes took a massive seat. Wow, she's in the naughty corner. Yeah. That's how much she's got set back. And as you've seen in one of the other videos, we were talking about that van. Yeah, probably not.
Yeah, never mind.
Yeah, that van's probably not going to get saved. Anyway, we're going to start moving stuff about, and I'll pick this up in a minute. See them up. Well, there we go. So I haven't picked a camera up since the last time. And since then, I popped off, got a haircut. Motorhome is all done and gone back to its home. And the one I was doing, it was there. That's also done. That needs to be booked in for an MOT. Ta-da! John has got this one ready for tomorrow. I don't know why I'm showing you there, because it needs a steering rack. So there's no point in me showing you in the engine bay, because you ain't going to see anything. But we're going to have an hour on a VR6 TDI.
Yes, yeah.
So if you can remember in the last video, this thing got cleaned to within an inch of its life, but it's all getting put back together.
Nice Volvo pump.
Yeah, a nice Volvo pump. Wonder where that came from, Di.
Santa?
Yeah. And Mr. John, the wiring guru man, is doing wiring guru stuff.
Oh boy.
Why me? Well, me and Di had one look at this, and was like, you know who's really good at wiring?
Someone else.
So, welcome back from holiday, John. So, that is what the plan is. John's going to try and figure out something in there. I'm going to remove these brakes and start getting it a bit ready for Shane's plates and the big VR6 brakes that are going on here, which are painted and currently in storage. And I don't know what Dai's doing, and there's no point asking him because I don't think he knows. So I'm going to get that done. Yo! You're right, I couldn't. Right, anyway, we're going to have a little crack on with this. Probably see you in a bit. Got my haircut? I do. See you in a bit. This was actually really good fun. We're all sort of like working quite close together. I'm doing brakes, John's doing engine based stuff. I think Dai was doing some ball joints and the shocks. Yeah, it was good fun. We should have really gone live because I reckon this would have made a good live. But you never know, maybe next time. And there we go. It's the next day. So, as you've seen yesteryear, we was having a little play on this bad boy. So, as you can see, this side is completely taken apart. No discs, no calipers. Drive shafts are in. They did put a new wheel bearing in. And obviously, nice new ball joints everywhere. So, this thing is ready for its fancy VR6 brakes. And Mr. John played wiring. And we believe everything is plugged into where it's supposed to be now. So probably tonight, as you can see, we have pulled this side apart. Just need to get the ball joints out, swap them. Probably just do a ball joint. Probably just do a wheel bearing while we're here because it's already literally there. Be rude not to. Shane's plates. And then Dai's got some fancy effing low shocks. Mr. John, he's currently not here. He's MOTing that black van that I was doing actually on this ramp yesterday. But, there we go. As you can see, steering rack is already out. New one's ready to go in. Which John will have done once he gets back from MOT. And I've now got a service and pre-MOT on this. In fact, I've literally just worked on a very similar van, just had to do power steering belt and whatnot, and I'm now service and MOT on this one. It shouldn't be too bad, minus the fact that it's an early one and I'll mess around with that. Mr. Namo,
Hello.
how are we, sir?
Marvelous.
Well, you did just miss it. This thing did have a side on it. Yeah, but it's not on there now, is it? Yeah, I didn't even realise he did this. It was a full panel yesterday. And yeah, he's cut it down and it fits. But that was actually in that gap a minute ago and fits lovely. Not that this is going to benefit you because this is probably going to be about a week or two behind. But we're about to go live because why not? Watch Dai do this. Sound good. There you go. I'm going to do a service on this bad boy. Move all this lot. Shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully this thing turns up ASAP Rocky. And then at least this will all be done. And I do want to send a big thank you to Wendy and her partner. They're the ones who own that Calypso that was here yesterday for the clutch. Very nicely, they actually gave me some cat food and bits and bobs. So thank you very much for that. Very nice of you. Stop rambling, get this done. I'll see you once it's didded. And there we go. So we did go live up on YouTube a little bit earlier on. That went quite well. But in the meantime, most of the homes all got diddly-didded. The van that John was doing is now over the pit for tracking. But it has now got to that phenomenal time where we attack the VR6 for an hour or so, which will be nice. Couple hours here, couple hours there. There we go. So when we start getting onto that, we'll show a little bit of some VR6 TDI time. Ta-da! Alright, let's get this done. Well, there we go. So, we're now all gonna tag team the VR6. So, I'm gonna rebuild this side back up. John's gonna play wiring guru man again. And Mr. Dye is gonna dismantle this whole side again. And rebuild this up.
Yes.
But as you can probably hear, we got music and whatnot on, so I'm going to set you up on a tripod and you can have a little watchy see. Enjoy. Well, as you've seen from the last bit of footage, we were all attacking the VR6 TDI. That actually went quite well. As you can see, the wheels on, but there are some VR6 brakes. Big discs. Probably just easier to show you on the other side. There you go. Shane's plates, F and low shocks. Wheel bearing got done on this side as well. This thing is getting nice and rebuilt back up. Obviously that side's got the nice big VR6 brakes back there. We do need to sort out the bolt situation. But look how fancy that looks. Dye has literally just ordered the braided lines for that. Mr. John, the wiring wizard, he did lots of wirings. So not that you can actually see it, but that inside the cab is all done. And most of it down here is done. Do need to put the fuel lines from there over onto there. And this thing is getting aggressively close to started it, and I did find a brand new set of glow plug leads, brand spanking new. Never seen a set like that before. So yeah, that's going nice and well. And I'm fighting with some brakes. These are the AA brakes, which they come apart in most. It's like a Lego set. But
Morning, people.
managed to get the pins out, which were completely stuck. So now just completely rebuilding it. The old pads are just by there. And then this thing is done. What Mr. John is up to is fitting some nice new shiny X-Man turbo injectors. And I think it needs cam, lifters, timing belt, and an intercooler, and the injectors. Is that everything?
Cam lifters, injectors, intercooler, remap.
Ah, remap. There we go.
First set of 8 gates that fell out as well.
Do they?
Literally one tag on the thing. And all down the ports went to the carbon and exactly mint.
Oh, happy days.
Like one bit of carbon. This thing got like 300,000 as well.
Yeah. Dye's doing his welding. We'll leave Dye to do his welding. Also, I dropped my toolbox. That was fun. Insert picture here. So, I'm just going to put the last little bit of this back together again. And then this one will be done. I don't like these brakes. And I've got them on my van. Whoop whoop! Right, let's rebuild this. Ta-da! Right, rebuild this lot back together again. Done.